what's going on YouTube right now. I'd like to introduce you from Adventures of Erika. It's Lilly the Bird! Hi everybody!
Living for a time of change.
Not just the new generation, but the new character has arrived, welcoming as the newest member of the Erika family.
I will never go astray.
Hi, I'm Lilly. I've been told that I am friendly, and amazing singer. My favorite color is blue, because I'm blue all over. My birthday is August 14th. My best friend is Sally Sachet, but mostly I'm a good friend to everyone. My favorite food is blueberries. My favorite movie is Rio. And my favorite hobby is singing.